Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Trade Ideas Live Trading Room recap for Friday, May the 31st. My name is Barry Anderson, moderator of your trading room. Any questions you may have, you can use this email address. This is a link to get into our free trading room, 100% free. You don't even have to be a member of Trade Ideas to be in our free room. I open the room every morning at 9 o'clock Eastern Time. That's when I get live or start to share my screen. Get live on the mic at about 9:05, and I go up to 3:30 Mondays to Thursdays and up to 3 o'clock on Fridays. In the email you're getting, you'll see a promo code for 15% off either the first month only or the entire year of Trade Ideas. So, what a week it's been, and today probably not quite as exciting as the previous 2 days when we had the ELTK and the solis to have fun with. But this was the next low floater, all right? So they had some news after hours, something about their. I think I've seen this one releasing the same sort of news for quite a while. Something about an acquisition they're doing. But anyway, you can see SBOT. It has only 5.2 million in the float. Took the pop after hours and didn't see it then. I wasn't watching it after hours. Then pre-market, I see this, and of course it's up a lot. I mean, it closed at about $1.20 and it's up at $1.50. So that is a big percentage move. And it moved all the way up here. Now, I did not take it anywhere up here. I really couldn't see a what I would call an entry for me. Maybe in the 5 minute, there might have been one. But you know me, I like to wait for a whole number break. So basically, bottom line is I was able to get this stock at $2.02. My last sell was up here at $2.45. I did sell some in this area here, also sort of an average in this $2.25 area. You know, I just wasn't. Because I've seen this news before. I thought, well, how will it sustain itself? And I mean, I know what traders are thinking. They're thinking, well, I didn't get in the ELTK or the SOLI earlier this week. This is another low floater doing crazy things. So anyway, that obviously made my day. I mean, in the pre-market and then getting out most of it just as the market opened. This is that opening 15-minute candle. Now, here's one that it worked, but this came from Martin in our room, and he really specializes in these low float situations. So Abel, ELTK, let me just go back to ELTK. ELTK is an Israeli stock. They released earnings here, and it has gone crazy ever since, okay? Now, even today, it almost got the high. I mean, there's the high yesterday, about 11.57. Gets up to 11.11 before now it's finally starting to slide. I mean, I have to admit, I did trade this yesterday, but I was amazed that it had the power that it did just based on earnings. It's just a little stock. It's an Israeli stock. I think it's in kind of the defense sector. And so is Abel, ABIL. It's another low float situation. So Martin mentioned it. I took this stock right here at $1.63. I got out $1.82, my first sell, and then as it moved down, I got out again. Now this has earnings next week, so who knows? I mean, will it be as crazy as the ELTK is? We won't know until it has earnings, but certainly one to watch. It's an Israeli stock, low float. It's all setting up kind of the same way as the ELTK. I will not take it ahead of earnings, but we'll see what happens next week. Now here's my big miss. I feel kind of foolish. IOVA. Now, a miss in that I did take the short right here at 1784. Somebody asked me, well, why did I see this one? What scan did it come up on? Well, one of the things is that, you see the action it had in the pre-market right there. That's the tan area right there. And so this was something that I'd seen in the pre-market. And what I do is, if you're in the room, you'll know I have, I think, 12 or 15 stocks that I thumbnail in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen that I share. And this was one of them. So this caught my eye. It broke down through 18. So I decided to take the short at 1783. And I covered a little bit here at 1770. I covered some more right here at 1757, right about there. And then in this move here, I thought, okay, maybe it's over. For all the reasons that it had gapped up in the morning, they're still in place. They did have some news. I thought, okay, maybe it's going to have a bit of a bounce. Well, I was really wrong. I unfortunately got rid of most of all the shares in this area here, and then look what it did. I mean, that is a tremendous 1635 from where I was in at 1780. I mean, that's $1.50 or so on a $17 stock, and I know some are in it. And that's great. I'm happy for the people that were still in it. But so I call that a miss because I did not take full advantage of it. I got kind of spooked on this move right there. But I still like the trade. It happened very quick, and so a percentage gain, a very quick time. I will take those. Obviously, if it had only done kind of this, got up to say 1760, I probably would have kept in it. But it was moving. Basically, that's where I shorted it. So as it was moving higher, I said, you know what? I just better get out of it. Anyway, a lot of people were still in it, so that's good. So anyway, that's the end of a fantastic week. I mean, we just had some great low float plays. I don't know what next week is going to bring us, but we'll certainly be watching the low floats, see if they have any continuation. And next week we don't have that many earnings plays, but we always find things to trade with Trade Ideas. Keep saying that every time, but it's the truth. So I hope to see you in our trading room. Let me just close this down. I'll open the room. Bring back the capture program. We'll open the room Monday morning at 9 o'clock. So I hope everybody has a great weekend, and we'll see you in the room on Monday. Bye-bye.